Now I will explain how you set up the receivers tab
Telemetry lost.
and the modes tab.
Telemetry recovered.
And in receiver tab, you can see if you push the throttle, this throttle, this is changing. This part
Telemetry
is
lost.
changing.
Telemetry recovered. Telemetry
Throttle,
lost.
yaw.
Telemetry recovered. Telemetry lost.
Here in the modes tab, I have assigned the ARM settings, the aux channel 1. This one is the aux channel 1. How you will check this? In receiver tab, if you go there, if you push this,
And.
you see
And.
this one is
And.
changing the value 2000, showing the
And.
value 2000, and now is arming off, showing the 1000. So this button is for the aux 1. So we have assigned in aux 1 as for the arming.
And.
This is showing the it's arming, and then a drone will arming if you push this button. And here also we have assigned the angle mode, horizon mode, and head free mode. And how we have assigned it, we have set the aux channel. For each button have a aux channel. In here you can check the aux channel, and if you see for this button,
Horizon mode.
this is the aux
Mode.
channel 2, this is the aux channel 3, and
Head free mode active.
this is the aux channel
Head free
4,
mode off. Head free mode active.
and
Head free mode off.
this one is
Heading
aux
adjust.
channel
Heading
5,
adjust.
and this one for aux channel 6. You can assign this button for controlling your drone. How you assign this? You assign this in modes tab. In here I have assigned for angle mode, use this button aux channel 3. This is the 3 position button, and see that. Okay, now it's angle mode, now it's the horizon mode, and head free mode. This one is used for head free mode.
Active.
Head free mode.
Head free mode off.
And another one is heading adjust. For heading adjust, I am using the aux channel 5. This
Heading
one.
adjust. Heading adjust. Heading adjust.
You see, this is the way how you assign the button for controlling your drone. That's all for now, and other step I will explain in another video. If it's helped, smash the like button, subscribe for more FPV tips, and drop a comments if you have any questions. Fly safe. Thank you.